When we don't move around for a while, our muscles get weaker, smaller, and tighter. Our bones aren't as strong, and it may feel like it takes way too much effort to get around. You may also feel dizzy or unwell when you sit up. The good news is that we know exercise will help those feelings and that weakness go away. Doing these absolute basic exercises a few times a day will help from developing blood clots, pressure ulcers, or bed sores, and even tighter muscles. Pointing and flexing the feet forward and back can help keep the range of motion in our ankles, decrease fluid buildup, and prevent blood clots in our lower legs. Do this at least 10 times an hour, but ideally more. Focus on going as far back and forward as you can. Lying on your back with knees bent and feet flat, slowly slide your heel away from you as far as you can. Now bring it back towards the body and switch sides. As you see here, this exercise is hard to do smoothly with shoes on, so please do it in socks or bare feet and keep your movement slow and controlled. Take care not to hold your breath as you're sliding your heel in and out. A good rule of thumb is to exhale through the hardest part of any exercise, which for most folks is when they bring that leg back. Repeat this, keeping your breath steady and even. Do as many as you can several times a day, increasing the number you do each time as it gets easier and you feel stronger. Heel slides help keep the range of motion at your knee and hip and start to strengthen your lower body. Roll to one side or get help to do so if needed. Stay in this position for at least 30 minutes. And then roll to the other side and stay here for at least another 30 minutes, but not longer than 2 hours. Check yourself or have a caregiver check for any areas of redness or sores on a regular basis. Rolling at least every 2 hours is an absolute must if you are not leaving your bed. Lying in any position for a long time decreases blood flow to our skin and tissues underneath. This causes the skin to break down, leaving wounds that can be hard to heal.